This is going to be a video tutorial on how to strike through text in Google Docs. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am on Google Docs. I have a little example project here to strike through text in Google Docs. I'm going to show you a couple different methods to doing that. First thing you want to do is select the text that you want to strike through. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button. I'm going to drag across these two words right here. I have my text selected that I want to strike through. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the Format tab, click on Format. Then you want to go down and place your mouse cursor over text. Then I'm going to slide straight off to the right. And right down here is strike through. Another method you could use for this is, it tells you right there, the keyboard shortcut for me. I'm on a Windows machine. It is Alt plus Shift plus 5. If you are on a Mac, it should be, I believe, Command plus Shift plus X. You'd have to see what yours says, but I'm going to click on strike through. And as you can see, that text is struck through now. That is how to strike through text in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.